Hello, my health freedom loving friends. I hope you all can hear me. I'm talking a little bit quietly because we're here at We the People. We just spoke, talked about some harder issues, but also talked about a very important event that we have coming up, and I'm so excited. Chelsea's been working hard. Some other people are working hard behind the scenes,
yes.
And this event is going to be epic. So since we're together for a hot minute, because I know it seems like we see each other a lot. I think on social media it seems like we do,
right?
But
we
like
don't.
it's hard to connect. It's so hard to connect with good friends.
It is.
So that's exactly what this event is going to be about. I mean, it's going to be about connecting. It's going to be about education. It's going to be about learning and really getting into the truth, which is so hard to do today. So tell us all about it, girl.
Well, I know too, like after being surrounded by my friends that are freedom loving and truth speakers, I know that I always walk away feeling more brave and
That's
more courage
true.
in my heart to do what is right.
Yeah, that's true.
And to spread messages that are difficult to talk about sometimes.
That's true. Well, knowledge is power.
It is.
Right?
It absolutely is.
Mhm.
Yes. So
And then we sharpen each other when we're sharing the truths that we know with each other.
That's a good way to
And then
say it.
learning from Dr. Andy and Dr. Judy. Can we say that without being censored? Shh.
I think we can in a video.
Oh gosh.
Don't type their names.
Don't type their names.
Whatever you do not type in Plandemic.
Or Dr. Judy or Dr. Wakefield, because I guarantee you this video will not be seen if you type in those names. So don't type it in, even if you want to. I love Dr. Judy or I love Dr. Wakefield. You can't do it.
No. Just say we love those superheroes.
Yes.
So we, if you obviously don't know already, we are bringing those two brilliant minds here to Boise with their films. So we'll be showing their films, the Plandemic I and II, and then we'll have a live Q&A with Dr. Mikovits afterwards. And then we'll have a short intermission, and then after that we're going to be showing Dr. Wakefield's brand new film, 1986, The Act, and he will be here with his crew for a live Q&A as well. Now, this isn't just like any event, I have to tell you. We are the only ones because, well, Idaho likes freedom more than other states. So we are the only state in surrounding states, minus Utah, but they went in September, that is able to bring these films in this event here. So friends in Oregon, friends in Washington, carpool, whatever you got to do, get down to Boise. I mean, get your friends together, share a hotel room.
Do what you got to do.
We've already checked. I tried to help the filmmakers arrange films in Oregon and Washington, and unfortunately, they just don't like freedom like we do.
Well,
No offense, Oregon.
Well,
Washington.
and I think some of those states it's harder.
It is harder.
I mean, they're more locked down than we are.
They tried. I will say that those state leaders did try a lot, and so it was sad for them to not be able to host this event. So we're it for the Pacific Northwest.
Right. They are so locked down, you guys. So get out of those states. You know you want to anyway, and come here and celebrate some freedom with us. And just really enjoy having the abundance of information and knowledge and love. Really, that's what I love about these two. Everything they do is from a heart of love and passion to save children and to help people. I mean, there's just no ego at all.
No.
And we've been
With
around them
either one
several
of them.
times now. It's not an ego thing. It's literally a heart and a passion to help children and to save people from hurting and from despair and from being vaccine injured. I mean, it's just, the list is so long, and that's why I think we love them so much.
Because they come from heart.
They come from heart.
Truth, and they're doing what's right and
Right.
what is needed, despite death threats, despite losing medical licenses. I mean, I can't think of anyone more inspiring.
Being jailed wrongly, Dr.
Right,
Judy.
Right. So I put that always into comparison of like, gosh, I'm kind of afraid to talk about this truth. And then I'm like, nope, I'm actually not, because
Right.
I haven't lost a medical license or been jailed for
That's exactly
my
right.
findings. So
And they keep going.
they do.
They keep going out of love. So I just would really encourage you. I've had the great privilege of being able to sit and talk with them and ask them questions, and they're completely accessible. So you really should be there, especially for, I mean, who's to say which one is more important? But the social is going to be great because you'll have the ability to ask questions and listen to their wealth of knowledge and have that, in person, off social media, uncensored.
Right. So the social 3-hour detail is for Friday night, October 16th. And so we are having that. They are separate tickets, so you'll want to make sure to get both, or maybe you can only do one or the other. And like Misty was saying, you have to make a hard decision of which one you want to do more. But Friday night is the VIP social, and then Saturday is the all-day film day.
Right.
With the filmmakers. So.
And that break is right at dinner time. So we just thought it was a good idea to watch a movie, have a Q&A, get a dinner break, digest what you just saw, right? And learned, and then come back for more.
And there's lots of great dining in Eagle too.
Yes.
And Eagle's really amazing as far as freedom goes. They basically, the city council has allowed the businesses to decide how they feel that they need to react to the COVID measures.
Yes.
So,
I've eaten there plenty of times mask-free.
Me too. Lots of restaurants in Eagle. So we will also, those of you that have purchased tickets, next week, like I said, we wanted to keep the location on the down low.
I'm not saying yet.
No,
We're not saying yet.
But
I
once
promise
you
we'll
purchase,
tell you in time, but
will.
not yet.
But you need to get your tickets in advance because we're going to let that information out this week
Yes.
sometime.
You better get after it because it is this weekend. It's
And
this coming Friday.
It is, and Saturday. And we will not post online where that location is. So you would have had to have purchased a ticket.
That's correct.
And then we will send you it in email. So
Yes. Okay.
This is not because we want to be all sly and
we do.
suspenseful. I mean,
Suspenseful.
kind of, but also censorship.
Right.
Because we've gone through that.
Right.
So-
Well, and also, I mean, these doctors, no joke, have had death threats and all kinds of things. So we care about their safety, we care about our safety, and wanting to make sure that it's a fun, safe, informative, and really just from a place of heart and love event.
And we want to protect those brave people that have offered up their locations for these two events.
So we'll have food, we'll have at the social on Friday.
Yep.
We'll have some food, but everything else is just really going to be top secret. You have to get a ticket and come there to find out. Okay.
That is suspenseful on purpose.
On purpose. just gonna have to come see.
So get your tickets, guys, because they are, especially the VIP social, it is very limited seating.
Yes, it is. And I haven't had a chance to see how many tickets we have left.
I haven't looked in a few days.
Oh,
I think we were 75 to 80, and we can only have the capacity for 150 at
well, I think we had to lower that down to 100.
Oh, I think you're right. I do remember that now.
Yes. So I think we actually have 100. So we're talking maybe 25 more tickets left for the social on Friday. So really get your ticket. And then Saturday, we have a nice big venue, but even still, they're selling out. So you don't have any time to waste. And you won't want to miss it, I promise.
And you guys help us by sharing
Yes, good
the
point.
Facebook events and help us by sharing the Facebook events because, as you know, Facebook has obviously limited our reach. So the more that other people are sharing and not just Health Freedom Idaho sharing would be super helpful.
Yes, please help us. Please help us get the word out. So, and really, you guys, this is an excellent opportunity for you to invite somebody who might be just starting to learn about vaccine or vaccine injury or the lack of ability to sue the vaccine maker or wanting more information about this, I'm going to call it a plandemic.
Absolutely.
If you want more information about that, there's just a plethora of information. So anyway, you'll want that for your little newbies who are maybe just waking up, because the really good thing that has come out of all of this nonsense is that people are waking up. They have time to research, they have time to read, they have time to discuss with their friends, and they're finding out that maybe what they thought was true isn't necessarily true.
Well said.
It's the perfect time.
It's a
Perfect
rabbit
time.
hole.
Yep, bring him.
We will embrace you in the rabbit hole.
Let's fall down the rabbit hole together.
Well, we've been there, but we'll be there with open
Exactly.
arms.
We'll just hold hands. We'll jump in.
Hug you.
You can do it. Okay, friends. We will see you next weekend.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.